I need to be looking there. Okay. Hey everyone, so it's Debbie for Social Saturday. Hey everyone, so it's Debbie again for Social Saturdays, and today I'm doing a look on cheaper versus dearer, and one side of this face is worth £230. Believe it. And the other side is 67. 67 isn't cheap, but when you consider how much products you're using, then yeah, and they last long too, so can't really complain. Kinda can, but it's okay. So that will be blusher, that will be highlighter, and then I have two different palettes for the deer side, if I can get them. I'm going, and they're both pretty red. This side is side A, and this side is side B, and you tell me which side you prefer best and which side you think is the cheaper side.